free laundry.
We're doing a special pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry Day event today at Supermat Laundromat on Colleton Road in Sarasota. And our volunteers today are all students from the IU Lilly School of Philanthropy, here for 1 week in a study away program. And today, a special event for all of them to participate in is our pop-up Neighbor Through Laundry event.
So many families doing their laundry for free. We also have free snacks, we have food bags from the Old Faith's Food Bank, we have free books from ELC.
On the bus goes swoosh, 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 all through the town.
So our students are natural givers. They came to our school because, they want to help their communities, and they will go away from this feeling very motivated to continue their studies, and they're having a great time. They're meeting some community members here and loving to hear their stories and why this is important to them and their communities.
It's nothing that I've experienced before, but it's super heartwarming, and when we can pitch in, it really means a lot. So I want to do this again.
It's amazing. It's nice to be a part of.
How many quarters have you been through?
At least 200. And this is my first time volunteering at a laundromat, and it's so much fun. I'm having a great experience talking with people, rushing around, trying to help them get their laundry done. So it's a lot of fun. I love being fast-paced and helping people do what they need to do.
Actually came down here to work with the Patterson Foundation to get foundation experience because I mainly work in grassroots nonprofits, and I really enjoy connecting with people in communities.
Putting a little extra for good luck.
Yeah, I know, I love Laundry Day.
It's a really big help.
I just stumbled upon here, so what a blessing, what a blessing.
How many loads did you do today?
I think 12.
Oh, that's a big savings today.
Yeah, a lot.
Thank you to the Patterson Foundation for allowing us students to come down and learn from you all and to learn how to give back to our community and showing us new ways to do that. I've never heard of anyone doing something like this.
Clean, laundry angels, thank you.
Oh, well, you're most welcome.